Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It's officially our holiday. You guys, our holiday officially kicks off today. Guys, we closed on what's happening there? We closed on Friday, being 11th of April 2025. And today is Monday. You know, that particular day that school closed by 12, our holiday cannot start that day. So our holiday kicks off today. Today is 14th April, and I woke up like I slept till 6:30. Got up, went to sit down in the living room, turn on the television. Guys, I didn't even let you guys know that after we celebrated that light for over 2 years plus, there's this strong wind that fell all our poles in our area, and then the light went off for another 1 month. It was on Friday, the day school closed, on the 11th, they gave us lights. So we have lights this morning, and I want you guys to spend 24 hours with me today. So this is pretty much early in the morning, and you saw that plantain, right? It was my father-in-law that brought it yesterday from the village, and I did not unpack it. Sometimes I get so tired of doing things, and I decided to unpack it this morning. So this morning I don't even know what I'm going to eat, because I've been asking him, Daddy, what will you eat? He has not given me feedback. So, and I feel that we are going to eat yam this morning. So that's basically it. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're going to be seeing this video. It's a vloggy vlog. Sit back, relax, and enjoy every bit or every clips you're going to be coming across in this video. I'll see you guys much later. Guys, ignore my hair. I want to go back to natural hair. I started this natural hair journey again January, first week January. Moving up and down. See your leg. Your leg is no longer useful. See this leg is not useful. Not useful. Now you cannot go and look for food. I stay one place. You cannot go and look for food. Do I have money to be buying feed for you animals? I wanted to say you people. Do I have money to be buying feed for you animals? What is it? This animal had an accident on Saturday. This animal was just crossing the road, to and fro. Imagine, guys, I'm sweating. It's just crossing the road. This is the one I plan on killing this Easter. It's even decaying. See, look at it. Nothing to write home about. So what am I going to do? I'll tell my husband also that we'll kill it, and if we kill it, just throw this. I don't just know. I don't know. Stay one place. I know you are an animal. Stay one place. Now I'll be bringing feed for this mumu animal. That's the situation we are in now. Other ones are inside their pen. This one is. So I just came here to clean up this place, to sweep here. Daddy. Guys, I want to give the animal that had accident on Saturday the head of the sungu. Is it sungu? I don't even know the name of the fish. The head of the sungu I use in cooking that yam. So I want to quickly give this animal this fish to enjoy, because I feel for this animal. I don't even know what I'm going to do. I killed one fowl yesterday and I don't want to kill another one. This is big temptation, and I have laundry to do today. You see these old people there? God, I want to gossip. I want to gossip. You see these old people, you will be begging them, what will you eat? What will you eat? What will you eat? That is what I'm seeing. You guys, what will you eat? They'll be making guy because they have sweet daughter-in-law. But I didn't mean they have one daughter-in-law. They will not even make guy for that daughter-in-law. But me, I'll be begging, petting, daddy, what will you eat now? Since yesterday I keep asking him. Now the time now is almost 9 o'clock. We've not eaten. I keep asking him. He will say plantain. He will say yam. I told him, okay, go and sleep. By the time you sleep and wake up, you will know what to eat. So that's basically it, you guys. And I'm very sure that since it's yam, it's not going to take a lot of time. So let me give this mumu animal this head of fish. Other ones are even looking at me. Hope you are enjoying this beautiful morning vlog. Today the sun is actually sunny, yes, and I like that. Forget about what's going on here with this hair. It's not your business. Just forget about it and watch the clips, watch the video, okay? So let me quickly do that and I'll cut. Let's see. Yeah, it's eating. Action. When you allow bike to hit you, did you perform this action that you're performing while eating? Did you perform action? See, you were moving up and down on the road. Did you perform action? Did you perform action? You're not the only animal that will eat this one. That's enough for you. Let me give this one to the other animals. See what you did to yourself.